Assalamualaikum. Lean manufacturing tools. Today we will discuss about the technique used in lean manufacturing is 5S. Before starting the introduction of 5S, we will discuss about the introduction of lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a production process based on ideology of maximizing the production and eliminating the waste or removing the defects, and the third element is improving the quality. So it's just like a triangle lean manufacturing tool on based on the methodology of improving or maximizing production, removing or eliminating defects and waste, and the third element is improving the quality. There are different applications of lean manufacturing tools in different manufacturing industries like apparel and electrical equipments, chemical industry, medical industry, and leather industry, garments industry. And today we will discuss about the 5S. 5S is a tool that is used in different manufacturing industries. 5S consists of 5S. First S is stand for sort. Sort mean classify tools, parts, instructions into necessary and unnecessary. Get rid of them later. So classification is very important between the necessary parts, necessary items, and unnecessary items and necessary parts. So for the purpose of equipments, we can say high use equipments used hour by hour, day by day, keep within arm reach of point of use. So second, medium usage of equipment used once in a month, keep within the work area. Third, frequency of equipment is very low as compared to up to low use equipment used once in a year, store in the distant locations, and unnecessary unneeded equipment, throw it away. That means these are unnecessary things should be thrown away, subjected to their utilization or their worth. Second, set in order is the 5S second technique or second aspect of set in order. In the first step, we have just separate or sorted the things, necessary items, and unnecessary items. In it is the second step. So in this step, make it visible and easy to use. Place everything in place, easy to get part in short time. So the things should be very clear and should be set in order in sequence in any rack or in any location. So the purpose is no waste of time, easy to see and easy to get and easy to return. This is the example, a toolbox or a tool kit. Here different tools are uh, installed or placed. They are easy to put, easy to see, easy to get, and easy to return as per their location. So this the main purpose is set the things in order. Third is as for shine mean cleaning. Cleaning is a workplace inspection process. Cleaning is done with the purpose to identify and eliminate the sources of contamination. So it is the third step. In the first step, we have segregated the things, necessary items, And unnecessary item, in second step we have set the items at their proper place. In the third step, cleaning is done for the workplace or the items. The fourth is standardize. Four S stand for standardize. Standardize how you can define, put a system in place to readily identify abnormal condition. Standardize, identification methods are consistently applied. Everything is in its place. Visual maps, standard clear procedures, workstation process using standard color. Here, the different identifications of different tools or different applications or different activities are color coded. Like you can say, here is a different color codings for different activities and for different tasks are mentioned. Here is a pipeline of water will be different color coding, pipeline of waste would have different color coding, pipeline of gas would be a different color, pipeline for air will be different. So things are standardized. Color coding is done to identify or symbolize the things from distant. Standardized here are different. You see in the hospitals, even different types of dustbins or baskets are placed where the different items, scrap and usable item, unusable item, and different chemicals are placed. They are identified with respect to their color codings. Here is an example in textile industry where different counts or the different items are placed and here identifications are done about the products. The fifth is sustain. Sustain means make a habit of properly maintaining and following the standards practice daily. 30-second behaviors, re-auditing, system ownership, leadership, behavior reinforcement. So the things standardize. After the standardize the activities, the items on a workplace, then follow up is very necessary to maintain the things as per routine, and re-audits are done and systems SOPs are made for the continuation or for sustain for maintain of these activities. In the last nowadays, the 5S after the 6S is known as safety in the modern era. So 6S era instead of 5S. 6S is safety. Safety is identify and eliminate the dangerous and hazard conditions. Why do I need to know about the safety? People expect to work in safe environment. Accidents can be expensive. Legal responsibility of organization to save the workers, save the machinery from accidents and other casualties. So safety is just as the picture shown different to save the workforce, save the items, machinery from different hazards or different dangerous areas. This was the concept about the 5S. I hope your concept about these tools would be very clear. We shall see you in next lecture with another lean manufacturing tool. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.